Okay, let me be real with you. I found a drop shipping platform that might be one of the easiest side hustles I've ever tested so far. I'm not a big fan of drop shipping until I found this. And now I know what you're probably thinking because I thought the same thing. Here we go, another drop shipping platform promising easy money. But let's be real with this. You've got to look at this, and there's little or no upfront costs. Most of the time, drop shipping sounds great until you realize you have to build a store, you have to find the products, you have to write the descriptions, you have to connect the apps, run the ads, test the creatives, deal with customer service, and somehow not lose money while you're figuring it out. And every time I've lost money. And honestly, that's where most beginners quit. The turn for me on this was it is that it lowers the barrier. Someone who wants to build a side hustle business but doesn't want to become a full-time tech expert, this is no big complicated setup or needing Shopify or all that kind of stuff. Here's what the part that really got my attention is: they don't make it feel like you're just paying for another subscription and hoping something happens. The model is built around performance. The platform does better when you do better. So they don't get paid until you get paid. Okay, we're in dropcoast.com. You just go in here. You're going to click register to set up your new account. And we're just going to pause this. I'm going to add my information, and then we'll go and show you the rest of this. So super simple. Once you're in here, you've got your dashboard, your store, your products, your finances, and it's got a complete setup. So it just basically walks you through. So average earnings, this just talking about different earnings here, but you basically add a store. So it's going to go through step by step. So you just say, let's go, and you let the AI build it. I suggest doing this in here. And then you let the AI build your store out. So I'm going to order this now. I'm going to go ahead and choose my colors, and we'll go with green because I like green. And you're just going to say animated. You can do static, animated, this eye-catching, and it'll select your banner style for you. Then you let AI build your description for you. You can do it yourself too, but understand it'll be based on your products. So show products, feature top products directly on the top of the homepage. And then you're just going to go through these steps. And like I said, by the time we get here, it just takes a few minutes. You select your navigation. It's going to select the best things for you. And then you choose a store name. So we can select whatever we want, but remember, it's going to be based on what you are looking for. So if you're doing some herbs or something, these are just different names, beauty products, different things like that. We'll go ahead and select this herby. I like that name. And then those are available. So we'll go ahead and connect our PayPal to this for our earnings. And then we got the full description. We're going to go ahead and hit continue, and we're going to confirm order. We'll go with our PayPal, and then go over here. We're going to launch it, and you can see it's building the store already. And understand that you can build as many stores as you want. Each store, you can put $50 in each store, but I would suggest doing one or two at the most to start. And I always say one because you want to be focused and consistent. So, but you just go in the store, you manage the store itself, and then you can start adding your products, activate the store. So it'll be active within 23 hours. And you can see here, let's just go visit the store here. I'm going to activate the store here. Look how clean this looks. This is the animated banner. I didn't do anything. This thing built itself in a matter of minutes, probably more like seconds. It's got your privacy policy. You can edit this, so it gives you an admin to go in. You can move these. Would make sense to move terms of use, privacy, and refunds to the bottom of this, but you can see how professional this looks. Here's some products, and I would go and research products and add your top products in. But you can see that the refund, the terms of use, the privacy policy. So you just need to go in, edit the store, and take these out of the main menu. But it's got a logo here. I mean, it definitely looks really good. Let's go to shop, and that's one thing I like to look at. So it's got selenium, or antioxidants. It's got quite a bit, and I probably put in, there's 11 pages of products in here, and they're all SEO rich. So they'll be searchable, and not only that, you can do ads directly through Dropcoast. So they're going to help push your products out. They don't get paid unless you get paid. So they're going to help you promote your store. And I would pick a niche, find some sporting goods that you like. But you can see it gives you a login with the username and everything, and then your earnings here. But we can do an AI selection. We got our products down here. We've had the store up for a couple hours now, so we're going to do an AI selection, number of products. But we can add an additional 50 products here. So you just click on it, and boom, they start adding in based on AI and based on your shop. So I would recommend going out, finding research that is the top products out there. And the way you do that is use Google Trends and look for whatever you're selling, look for the trend in that, the trending product in that niche. And then that's going to be the way to really scale this up. So there's, but you can do different ads. It'll show your store balance. And I've heard of people like seeing sales on this in the first 48 hours. Now, I guess there's no guarantees here, but we're going to test it. We're going to play with it. We're going to do some real time, show you what's happening as we build this. And I'm going to build another store on another niche in the sporting industry and see how that one goes too. So we're going to see, but this is the best way to go after if you want to do drop shipping and the vendors come to you. There's no subscription fees with this. There's little upfront costs. All you got to do is put $50 in this and get this thing up and running. And you can see I've got a balance of $50 in here. So drive your first sale, earnings analytics. So you're going to be able to see everything that's going on in here as in real time. Store comparisons, so you could create two stores and play them against each other. Your health score for the store. Of course, mine's not been up, like I said, just for a couple hours. And then, so if I go to view, so it's all built on WordPress. So it's super simple. You just click on this, edit it, edit the navigation. And then if I want to just go in there and take out this terms to use, I just go in here and click remove, and that's going to remove that from that spot up there. So typically I put those down in the bottom anyways, but this is built on WordPress, so it's super powerful. I'm going to hit save here. But let me just say a little bit more about this platform, Dropcoast. It is simply the easiest. When I look at anything and you're looking to get into drop shipping, you don't want to be responsible. That was the problem with drop shipping. You got the orders, you had to do the fulfillment, you had to contact that vendor. This is hands off. They buy, and Dropcoast does everything for you. That's the difference, what I see. And even the platform itself, you can connect this to your Shopify if you want to. But why not just use this platform? You can pick your own domain, basically customize that domain, Everything's there. So I don't see the purpose of, let's just click on one of these products. So if I go in here and select a product, I can add that to cart. It's got all the shipping weight in there and everything else. And then um, and then we can check out. So I've got two of those in the cart, and there it is. Go to checkout. It's that simple. So find some popular products. Check out Google Trends. There's going to be a link in the description to get your Dropco subscription here, and I encourage you to get that. Use that link if you want. There might be some discounts on that, but check it out. I've looked at drop shipping for a lot of years. I've had a lot of companies come to me and say, can you promote my drop shipping or this, that? And I've never been interested until I saw this. So here's my honest takeaway. Dropcoast is interesting because it makes drop shipping feel less intimidating for beginners. And you're not there trying to build an entire store from scratch, guessing which products to sell or burning money trying to figure out ads that you might run. The platform is designed to take the process easier, which is exactly what a lot of people need. So it does all the research for you, and that's why it's a great beginner-friendly side hustle. Now, again, I want to be clear, there's no income guarantees. Just because someone else gets results doesn't mean you're going to get results. You have to be consistent, patient, testing different products, and the willingness to let the process work over time. But if you've been looking for a real side hustle that doesn't require a huge learning curve, doesn't require you to be a tech expert, gives you a simple way to get started with drop shipping, Dropcoast may be something to look into. And that's why I'm talking to you about it today. So check out the link below, do your own research, and start with what you feel comfortable with. And if you want more side hustle tools, income ideas, beginner friendly ways to make money online, make sure you drop a comment, hit that like button, and share this with somebody else.